Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even.
Welcome to Beery Christmas, December 22nd. So we have to hurry today. I need to get back and play more Anno 1800. It's bloody addictive, that game. But okay, today's clue is that it's a whole lot of waffle. And what can that be? Well, given that we have 3 doors remaining, I'm not gonna miss any of these. So I promise, if I miss a single door, I'm gonna drink a whole can of that, what was it? Orange juice beer stuff. So I will not let that happen. Can I open this one? Yeah, you see the waffle. I'm not even gonna look very hard on this one. So, 22nd. Serves with roasted chicken. Nah, I'm good. Triple Solar. Well, by De Ranke, or however you pronounce it. Time to see what this looks like. Sorry, I'm just switching hands so I can do a nice little pour. Look at it, very light. But I'm not gonna be fooled, because you remember the sour beer that I thought was a lager. Well, let's give it a shot. If you came here hoping that I would overreact and have a horrible beer, you're out of luck. It's okay.